Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, Love Nails Nicole. And today's video I wanted to share with you guys, I've actually showed this before, but like a couple years ago probably is the last time I showed them, so I figured I'd do another updated video on it. When I was going through one of my polish containers, I forgot that I had all of these. So I wanted to share with you guys basically my clear jelly stampers, some of them, and how I store them to keep the stamper from like getting messed up or touching stuff and all that stuff, and how I store them. I'm also going to share with y'all, showed this to you guys before, that you know that this is like my just a plain photo album that I use to store my nail art stickers and stuff like that in. And I have another one that I want to put some other nail art stickers in, since this one's nice and full. So I'm also going to do that too. So yeah, in here I have my colored clear jelly stampers. I've had them for a while, and I just go to the pharmacy and ask for a few empty bottles. Is where I've got most of these, are just from old medicine bottles from like my mom and different stuff like that. I was just collecting them. These I couldn't get to fit in any. That one came in its own case, but I just have one of these little flat boxes from that you can, where it says, I'm gonna turn it over, it's from Dollar General. So it was just like a little $3 box that you can get to lay them all down in if you want, or even a plastic storage container will be fine. So yeah, I'll open these up now. Let's see, I'll share with you guys, like, see how there's, I don't know if it's showing, but there's a bunch of lint on here, since I could not fit this one into anything, which I think what I'm gonna do after this is just get a plastic sandwich baggie and put it inside of there. This is another one. This one's really cool because you can, it's open and you can see through to the bottom really nicely, and it has a cap on it. Soft clear jelly, and it's a blue metal. I think this one I got from AliExpress for like maybe $1 or $2. This one is super cute. Came inside this little case. I ordered this in like a co-op group, a nail group, a long time ago. So it came with an extra head, and I ordered it in pink. You could pick your color. It came with a pink one and also an extra holder. So 2 holders and 2 pink jelly heads with the little cute little cover that you can just put on it. Oops. I don't have it down in there right, but y'all get the gist. But I thought this was so adorable. This is really cute. This is like, it was a really convenient case. So 2 of those, 2 of these, and I just keep them both inside of the case. Like that. Cute, huh? Alright, so the way I store these, you see there, this one's an orange one with the clear jelly head on it, is they fit perfectly right into the small prescription containers. And it's open so you can see through to the bottom. This one's black. Ooh, this one, some of these got dirty before I even put them. Like this one is used, you can see, before I even put them in the containers, which is what you know, why I wanted to think of something to put them in, because I just had them all laying out. Here's a frosted clear. That one's dirty. And what I'm gonna just clean them off with my lint roller. You can wash them in like warm soapy water, which I will do before I use them, and let them air dry. Something on it, something in this one. Ooh, I can't use that one no more. It's my hand. I don't know what it is. Flat blue one. Let me wipe my hand off. And I have a frosted pink one. See through to the bottom. They're all very cute. I love all these fun colors. You like this one? Oh, almost, but it won't go down in there. So just a little wider prescription bottle, and this one would definitely fit in there, and probably this one too, just a wider prescription bottle. But for these fit perfectly this size. And you just drop it down in there, put the lid on it, and you're good to go. So this is a good way to store your clear jelly stampers, or even put them in a plastic storage bag and just get you a little container to store them in. So yeah, they're so cute. I also have this one I have never used yet, but when it first came out, I wanted this so bad. But this is good for like making nail decals on too, because it's giant. But it's from Bundle Monster. These are the little scraper cards, and I had this one in there, but you can see I still have the plastic on top. It says Bundle Monster here. Soft and squishy. But yeah, you can put your nail decals on this, peel them up, put them onto your nail, so it's a nice big space for that. People do use them to stamp. I never mastered it, so yeah, this would be something that I will be practicing with. But yeah, it's the giant Bundle Monster nail stamper. So next, I'm going to show you guys my new photo album and the nail decal stickers that I'm going to stick inside of it. You know, this is my nail vinyl holder from Vinylicious that I got my name custom on it, Love Nails Nicole, and it's so pretty. I've had this for a couple of years, and my stickers are still nice and intact on there. So I wanted to take some of my stuff out of here. Like, I had these in there. I have a bunch of different style nail tip guides that I want to put in the new photo album. And, I was going to maybe take these off and just stick the packs inside of there. I have a couple things like this I want to put in there. These are mine. I'm going to clean this off with some nail polish remover and put this in there. This is my swatch cards. I'm going to hopefully list these in the next day or two on my eBay. You'll be able to get like a bundle of them for a certain amount. And these are great to swatch your polish on. So I'll leave my eBay link in the description box for those. And then I have like some tiny little nail vinyls I want to put in there. Okay. The other photo album, this one that I showed you guys, this one is from Dollar Tree, and it's like a soft one. I was in Family Dollar. Oh, I'm gonna put these in there too. These are from Dollar Tree. I think I'm gonna try to put these in there if they fit. I was in Family Dollar, and they had this cute leopard print photo album that I just had to get. It was only $1, and I tried to take the sticker off, but it's on there like super good. So I'm gonna have to work on getting that off. But It doesn't have a ton of pages. It says holds up to 24 photos, 4x6. So these are the pages, but you can use front and back. So I'm gonna take this out. This one. Basically, like these, since they're all in one pack and you cannot see the different designs, like these are all different type of designs. I want to put these inside so I can see the different designs on them. We're putting that one there. Wonder if this will just fit in here. Let's see. Yep. Put the other ones behind it. Really stuck on there. So basically, y'all get the gist. Just, you know, however you guys want to decorate it and put your little things in it. This is a really good way to store your nail stickers, and then that way it'll be in something. They won't dry out. Like, you know, if you just leave them sitting out plain like this, they'll get hard and the sticky stuff won't work anymore. So it's good to just keep them inside of something. So I'm just gonna put a few at a time inside of here. I think I might go through and kind of match them up a little bit, so that way when I go to use them, it'll be similar ones, you know, in the group with others. So, like, you know, see how these match, so I could put these together. And then I'll match up the most of these. Only some of these are different, not many, like these ones. I think most of these are the same. So I'll just put these all in one together. I think I'll put these back here. Okay. So yeah, basically that's it. I just wanted to show you guys how I like to store my nail art stickers. I actually have some in here too that I'm gonna put in there. Like these water slide decals. I'm gonna throw some of these in there as well. And it's just good because you can just go open your book and look at what you have, and it's right there ready for you to pull out and use. I think at some point I'll probably just get a big photo album and just put everything into one big photo album. So I think that's what I'm going to work on next. But for now, just to get it, you know, I just want to get some of my stuff out of this container and get some out of here. Most of these now will be just the actual like vinyls is what I'll try to keep in here. I have a couple of water slides in here. So yeah, I just wanted to share that little bit of info with you guys on how I store some of my nail art stuff and my clear jelly stampers. If you guys try this, make sure you guys let me know in the comment as well. And if you go pick you up your photo album, and if you guys end up getting a big photo album, let me know where you guys picked it up at, how much it was. You guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to subscribe, click that like button, turn on the notification bell so you guys will know when I upload my next video. Bye, y'all.